Good morning, everybody. This is Gavin from Fresh Eco Steam Cleaning, and today I want to do a quick video to show you guys how we steam clean the rims and tires of somebody's vehicle. We're on a customer site right now, and we're gonna do this F-150 limited edition. Let me flip the camera around and show you the rims. So here are the rims we're doing. They're chrome plated rims. Tires, it's not dirty that bad as normal rims would be. These are the back ones. The ones in front are pretty much the same. Yeah, this vehicle here that we clean, we do it twice a month, so it's kind of like a maintenance wash. But I just want to zoom in a little bit closer. Hopefully you can see some of the dirt. You can see on the tires. Tires are pretty dirty. Coming closer to the rims. Hopefully the camera picks it up. It is dirty. You can see right here, look. That's clean. That's dirty. So the first thing I'm gonna do is grab my steamer. And you know, everything that we do is we steam all the vehicles with steam. Some water in the line. It's gonna be a little loud. Here's the steam. And in the back here, yeah, it's kind of loud. All right, and then after that, what I'm gonna do is come back with my cleaner, spritz it down, spritz, and also inside here. Some more cleaner. I'm gonna take my fancy little brush right here. I'm just gonna agitate. Get inside all these little spaces here and agitate. Like I said, this vehicle right here, we wash it twice a month. Keep it pretty clean. A lot of this stuff is dust, but more importantly, what the video is for is to actually show you the process. Now for the tire, my really nice cool brush. Hit it right there, spritz it. And I'm gonna get all this here. Back here, spritz it one more time. Got my little brush. Rub it down. Cool. So like I said, although these rims are not that dirty, this is actually the process that we take to clean rims and tires. Here comes the steam. That's pretty much it. Final two steps are actually the easiest two steps. And we'll go ahead and dry the tire and the rims and tires. And I'll just show you half so you guys can kind of see what's going on here. This is where the dirt spot was. So yeah, so now these rims are pretty much clean. All we're gonna do now is finish drying the tire, drying the rims, and we add dressing to the tire. It's a non-silicone water-based dressing. The reason why it's non-silicone and water-based is, one, the silicone tends to grab a little dust. Two, the water-based seems not to sling off the tires as much. So sling is when you drive and the dressing goes onto the vehicle. This vehicle has none. Can't show you an example. But also look at the floor. Yes, the floor is wet. Is it soaking wet? Nope. It's just probably overspray from the steam. But yeah. All right, so here's the final. We're finished with the tires. As you can see, washed, steam wash, and then we applied the dressing. And then of course we clean under here, and then we dress the tires. One top tip is I noticed some people was asking, how do you get the tire dressing to stay on the tire? You can hear some noise in the background, that's some steam. So the top tip is, the best way to apply the tire dressing and to have it stick or stay on a little bit longer is to actually clean the tires. Cleaner the tires are, the better chance your tire dressing has to adhering to the tire. So yeah, this was a simple video on how the process that we use steam to actually clean your wheels and tires. Have a nice day. Bye.